The last thing we want to talk about, and Kevin will maybe give you a little bit, are recreational vehicles. We talk about four-wheelers, dirt bikes, golf carts. Explain how they cover those.
Right. There's quite a few people that like to enjoy their property in ways other than on foot. They do so with golf carts. They do so with recreational vehicles, like you've said. And not only are those items extremely valuable, meaning that if there's damage to the actual golf cart or the recreational vehicle, you're going to want to know that you're going to be able to get coverage for the damage to the vehicle itself, not to mention the liability angle. What happens if you hurt someone?
Let me give you, I got a good story for you. Guy goes to sell his motorcycle. His mother-in-law loaned him money. He said, I need the money back. So he goes to sell the motorcycle, and the guy comes up in his pickup truck and says, I'd like to take it for a ride. So he takes it for a ride, goes down the road, this guy never comes back. He calls the police and finds out the truck was stolen. So the guy, took a stolen truck to buy the motorcycle, stole the motorcycle. When he called and said, do I have any coverage? I said, unfortunately not, because, you have to get special coverage for that.
Right. It's not safe to assume that because it's at your house, it's covered. If it's a motorized vehicle of any kind, all-terrain vehicle, golf cart, any of the things that we just named, you need to make sure that your insurance agent knows that you have that piece of property and that you're concerned about what's going to happen to it if it causes a loss.
The other big one is golf carts. I see kids all the time driving down the road, 4 kids hanging off the golf cart thinking, man, somebody's going to get hurt. Well, you need special coverage for a golf cart. Primarily, I don't care about the golf cart. If you lose your golf cart, great. But if somebody gets hurt, you're really going to lose some money. There was a girl and these were adults. They were driving down the road. She was hanging out trying to take a picture. She fell and she hit her head. And it was a bad fall, and she got seriously hurt and actually had brain damage. Now, if it's your child driving some other little boy down the street, they take you to court, you could lose everything you have just because you didn't spend a little money to get golf cart insurance. Again, give your agent a call, review your policy, and if you'd like a second opinion, give us a call at the Insurance Center of Central Florida. Our number is below.